Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, March 8th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So on the US dollar yen, I mean, it definitely looks like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On all the yen pairs, I'm really not convinced that this move up is over. On the shorter time frames, it is kind of leading us to believe that maybe it is going to go down before it goes up. But I do think on these very high time frames, it is going to go up again at some point. Possibly it won't go up again for a few months, but we're definitely going to have to wait and see. Going down to the weekly, this is a very, very impulsive move to the downside, and it definitely did make a lower high, lower high. So the idea of it going back up and making a new high may be going out the window. We'll find out. At this point, it does kind of look like maybe this is an A, maybe this is a B, and maybe this is a wave C, which if you've been watching my videos for a while now, you do know that I've been talking about this being a possibility for quite some time. So at this point, it does look like this is pretty likely. Maybe go down to the 100% Fibonacci extension before we do end up continuing back up. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I definitely would be a little cautious. I mean, I still don't really trust this move on the yen pairs. I still am very, very curious to find out. It could possibly make a higher low and just keep on going up. I mean, the yen pairs have pretty much been in an uptrend for about 5 years now. So I'm not really too keen on going short. It does look like this could be a wave B, and it does look like this is actually possibly going down for wave C, like I showed on the weekly. But I would be very, very cautious. This possibly could just make a higher low and just keep on going back up. So going down to the 4 hour time frame. So technically, we should definitely be looking for shorts right now, but I would for sure not be looking for shorts right now. I would only go short if we had a pullback. If we do make a pullback, like a nice decent pullback, especially if it breaks structure to the upside, then that's going to be for me a very, very good opportunity to go short for the continuation of the downtrend. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we do have non-farm payroll news coming out. Definitely a very, very big event for the continuation of the uptrend. Non-farm payroll is definitely, definitely a big news event for all the dollar pairs. I mean, I'm sorry. So I do think there is a very good likelihood that maybe today's news is going to go up, but really there's no guarantee of it. This actually could just end up going down like that. So for me, at least, I would be very cautious. I mean, if it goes up and breaks structure and then maybe in a couple of days makes a pullback and then later on goes up, then you definitely could go long at the end of this wave B for the wave C, and then you could exit your long at the end of the wave C for the continuation of the downtrend. But for me, I'm more of a swing trader, and I definitely would patiently be waiting for the end of an ABC correction to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.